Hey, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube, and today I want to do a Content Samurai review. If you haven't already got access to this amazing video creation tool, I'm going to show you how it works. I'm also going to give you a link where you can get a 7-day free trial of it. It'll be underneath this video in the description box. And I'm also going to put another link there, as long as it's still available, where you can buy it discounted for $35 a month instead of $45 or $47. So make sure you check that out before you go and buy it if you haven't already. So inside of Content Samurai, you're going to see a section here that is full of templates. And you can narrow these templates down based upon the theme of your video, what you're trying to make, by coming over here and choosing one of these options. So you can convert an article or blog post into a video. This works by creating a script and pasting it into a box, or writing your own script. You can create a sales video, which has some templates for it, as well as online courses, videos for social media. You can see these videos are made different. They're not your usual videos like you have the same size on YouTube, just because they fit better with social media sites. And there's also a couple here for product listings. Now, one reason why I use Content Samurai so much more now than I ever did with Camtasia is because it's so easy, so fast, and they really do create professional videos, and it doesn't take that long to create them. So I'm not going to go through and show you every little detail of Content Samurai. You can access the free trial of it and go in there and play around with it if you want to, but I am going to show you how fast it is, or how fast it can be, to create a really nice looking video that you can use to promote products and services as an affiliate marketer, or to use for your clients, or for whatever you want to use it for. Maybe you want to have your own little gig thing going on with Fiverr or Conquer or one of those places like that, or Legit. And so you can use this and promote those kind of videos and make yourselves a little money if you want to do it that way. So what I'm going to do, I like this theme better than all of them. It's called Polar Ice. So I'm going to select it. And with all of these themes, you can click the play button here, and it's going to go through and show you how it looks as it's playing through with this white background and the text and how it's bolded. But I already know this is the one I want, so I'm going to click Use This Template. I can also make some adjustments to it if I want by clicking Customize, and I'm not going to do that right now. So we're going to see a big box right here. It says write or paste your video script. I already have one, so I'm going to paste it in here. And over here we're going to give it a title. We're just going to call it Video Marketing. And I always leave these selected just because it always seems to work best. It looks the nicest if it automatically selects images for me, even though you can upload your own. Same with the layouts and the motion. And we can manually change all this stuff as we go forward. So what I done here is I pasted in my script. I made sure that I put a period at the end of every line. The reason this is because this has some narration voices you can use already with it. And if you don't have a period at the end, it won't pause. It'll just keep reading the next line. So we want to make sure it sounds as human as possible. So I always make sure there's a period at the end. And next I'm going to choose Create Slides for your video. So it's going to take this text that I had in the script and automatically use the words that it's finding to find photos to put with my with each slide that it's making. So on this page here, Content Samurai is going to give me the option to make further adjustments to it if I want to. So I can scroll down and I can see this first slide it made. This is the first slide out of 10. It put the text over here on the left hand side and a photo on the right hand side. I can change this by clicking this box. It says change text position, and I can choose, instead of it being on the left side, I can choose for it to be on the right side, or I can choose for it to be at the top, the bottom, or cover the entire page, and it puts it in the middle. So I'm going to leave it, we'll just put it back to where it was right here, and I'll scroll down to the next video. Okay, this image I don't like too well. So what I can do is I can come over here in the search box and I can search for any keyword, and it's going to bring up tons and tons of images that I can use. You can also upload your own images, and there's a couple other options of editing your layouts and your theme up here. I'm not going to go over right now. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take the text that's in this slide, and it's going to pick out certain words and show you right here, and you can just click those and it will bring up a list of images you can use, and you can scroll and just keep going on and on and on, and it will go as far and as long as you need to go. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this image, Okay, and then let's make this one in the middle. We can scroll down to the next one. Okay, this one looks nice. I'm just going to leave that there. Now you can see here on this video, what it done is it took part of the sentence here and then it put the rest of it in the next slide, which is okay. It looks fine like that, but just for this example, I'm going to show you what you can do to put it all on one slide if you don't want it to do that. There's a button here that says merge slides, and if you click that, it's going to take the text from the next slide and move it up to this one. So if I click it, you can see it moved all that up here. Now this also reduces your video by one slide, but that's okay because you can manually adjust the timing later on. So we'll go down to the next one, and we're going to keep that the way it is. And then this one says you're 53 times more likely to show up first on Google, and this is nice. It has a really nice picture back here of Google, and let's use that in the middle. And it's going to finish the sentence there. And then this one here, it has a background of YouTube, which is great, but let's change that to like this. And let's change this image. We've already used that one, so let's find a different one we can use here. Let's just do website, and do that, and then we'll put this one at the bottom. And then this one, let's actually use a mobile one for this one because that's what it's for. So we'll search for mobile and click this image, and it takes a minute for the image to show up so where it's not blurry. Okay, we got that one. And actually this one I thought we changed to the website image. Put that here. And what I can do, some of these images, depending on the size of them, how big they are, you can come up here and click adjust background image, and you can zoom in, or you can drag it and move it to position it better. So we're going to leave that like that. And you can also use this to hide text, underline text, italicize, or to make bold. And the letters that you see, or the words that are like this, these are the ones that are bold. So if we go one down, I like that. Okay, we're going to keep it just like this. So it's only taken me a couple minutes to go through this, and of course I've been trying to explain it all at the same time. We can add more slides by clicking the plus button. We can do it in between each slide too. We can also add video clips if we have them, and we can add or change transitions if we want to do that too. So next we're going to do add voice track to your video. And there's different options here. We can add music only to our video. We can do auto voice, and I'm going to show you that's what I'm going to do. You can record your own voice track, so it'll go line by line where you can record it on your microphone, and it'll add it and sync everything together. Or you can upload a voice track if you have one professionally made, a voiceover. You can upload it and it will automatically sync that with the video script and with your slides. It's pretty amazing how it does all that. I want to do auto voice because the one I really like here is called Harry, and I'm going to go ahead. You can preview all the samples. They have a few of them here, and I'm going to go ahead and click preview your video. We're going to see the old man here doing his thing with Content Samurai. He's creating the slide timings, building it, and the preview is done. Now on the left hand side, we're going to be able to adjust our music. I like Allure, and I can play a sample here of each of these if I want to hear them, or what I can do is just select the box or tick the box beside the one I want, come down here and click play, and that's the one that's going to play throughout the preview so we can actually hear what it sounds like as it's going through the video. We can upload our own music or add watermarks, and we can also adjust the volume of the voice track or the music. So let's go ahead and play it and hear what it sounds like with Harry.
Videos can make you some serious money. Adding a product video on your landing page can increase conversions by 80%. To get you even more excited, 83% of businesses say that video provides good return on investment. Video content is likely to engage us and ignite emotions. You're 53 times more likely show up first on Google if you have a video embedded on your website. YouTube reports mobile video consumption rises 100% every year. 83% of businesses said that the homepage explainer video was effective. Majority of consumers prefer video content to reading.
So there you have it. I mean, that is a really well made video. It looks like it was professionally made, good graphics. The text looks very good. The zooming in and out of the images makes it look really nice. And then what we can do from here, if we decide we want to manually adjust this, it's not quite like we want, we can go to manually adjust timing, and we can move these slides back and forth however long we want them to be to readjust them. Now once all this is done, we can click looks good, continue, and it's going to give us a link here we can copy to put in the description of our YouTube video, just to make sure that we are legal with using the Creative Commons license with some of the images that we used. Then we click generate your video, and the old man's going to do his thing. It says he's recruiting more samurai to generate your video, and you're going to see the progress starting here, where it's going to go through preparing the audio, generating the slides, encoding the video, and saving it. And all this gets saved within your online library of Content Samurai, which is really nice. It also allows you to categorize all your videos into different folders, so you can keep track of your videos. You can come back to them, re-edit them anytime you want to, and they're always there for you to make changes to or re-download or whatever it is you need to do. So that is my review of Content Samurai. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, I'm going to put those links under the video where you can get a free trial of it if you haven't already tried it. And then I'm also going to put a link under there where you can get it discounted for $35 a month, and as long as that's still available, that link will still be under this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to hopefully have more out very soon. Thanks.